So welcome back. This video is a continuation of operators from the previous video. So in this video we would be finishing operators and we would be finishing operators by covering operators precedency, right? Here, just like how you have board mass rule in mathematics, similarly like you have all the priority or the highest precedence priorities like which need to be followed whenever solving an expression. And the highest priority is parenthesis. So like whenever you see a expression which contains parenthesis, you have to first solve out parenthesis, then followed by a increment or a decrement operator, right? After that, the third priority goes to multiplication, division and modular division. Next comes the basic operators, that is addition and subtraction, followed by a relational operators, that is less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. Then what we have is a logical checks, equity checks, logical or and assignment operators. So all these are a, so this is a precedence where you have to follow. So if you do not follow and if you try to solve on your own, even though the answer seems correct, but programming or the machine will take into some other picture. For this purpose, we have to follow the precedence rules. Now let's move on to editor. We are continuing in the same editor, and the first example is 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. Since I told you uh, parenthesis has the first highest precedency, but here we don't have parenthesis. After parenthesis, it is unary operator. Unary operator plus or minus. After that, we have multiplication followed by division. So here we have multiplication. So what is 4 into 3? It is 12, right? 4 3s are 12 and 2 plus 12 is 14. Clear? So the answer is 14. And next what you have? 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. Now look at the first two expressions. Both would remain same. I mean both would sound same, but both the answer are varying. Here since we have a parenthesis, the highest priority goes to parenthesis. So we have to solve what is inside the parenthesis. Inside parenthesis we have 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5 multiplied by 4, which is 20. Clear? Let me comment it out. Now let me run it. Yes, the first output was 14 and second was 20. And next what you have is, just look at the expression. Here we have division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Here we do not have parentheses, unary operators. So the next priority would goes to division and multiplication. So what is 5 divided by 5? It will return you a quotient. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 into 4 plus 2 minus 1. This is the condition. Now what is 1 into 4? 1 into 4 is 4. 4 plus 2 minus 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is the answer. Clear? Now let's try to solve the next expression. This looks little tricky. Here we have parenthesis in between, not at the very beginning. So how will you solve it? Parenthesis has the highest precedency, right? So how will you solve it? 5 2s is 10. 10 in 10 plus 7 mod 3. This is the expression. Clear? Now parenthesis has been solved. After parenthesis gets solved, next we have to move on to division operator. Clear? So division operator is 50 divided by 10, which returns a quotient as 5. 5 plus as the lowest precedency. So we have to move on to the modulo operator. 7 mod 3. What is the remainder? 3 2s are 6. 2 will remain the quotient and, sorry, 2 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. 7 7 minus 6 is 1. So 1 is the quotient. Sorry, remainder. 1 is correct. Yeah, 7 mod 3. Yes, 1 is the remainder, which is equal to 6. Clear? Now let's run this. Yes, all our answers are perfect. So this completes operators, and before we end the video, take your laptop and try solving this. Do not directly hit the run button. Initially solve it yourself. you'll get to know how exactly the operator precedence work. And let me know the output in the comments. If you're getting wrong output or if you're stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment, like I'll help you out there. Thank you.